We have Chainlink, symbol LINK versus the dollar, being requested by Mr. JW. He wants everyone to know that Hootie Hennessy can shut his dirty mouth. Fair enough. Fair enough. Anyways, a couple things stand out about this chart, as do several other altcoin charts as well. But we do, technically speaking, right now have a higher low potentially in place. We did hit our target from yesterday at around $30. The rejection followed soon after that, but doesn't really mean much for the daily just yet. With that in mind, do we have any potential hidden bullish evidence here? Yes, we will if this does confirm as a local low, which would also be a higher low. And how do we do that? A daily closure today above 29.25 would do it for me in this case, and a wick above yesterday's high would also do it as well. That's $30 and 33 cents or so, and I would be looking for a retest around the prior highs of this rally at about 34 to 35 bucks, and then very likely continuation over the next week or so. But for right now, let's actually go down to the short-term time frame, see what we're looking like for right here. Looks okay actually right here. I still retain any sort of reversal call on this one until you see a 4-hour closure below about 27 bucks or so. Until that happens, I actually think that this is a bit of a bear trap right here, and I do think that this probably does pop back up. We did see the corrective phase happen on declining volatility. That's what you would expect. We can go look at momentum oscillators as well and see if they down at this general case here. Dailies coming down this whole way. This is essentially a bullish reset for right now, and it will be remaining down as long as below 35.50. So it's not, we're not going to see any like major massive move to the upside today. At least I'd say that that's rather unlikely. 12-hour 29.5. That is actually well within striking distance right now. Again, corrected the whole way down. That is a generally good sign. 4-hour Stokes remain to the upside as long as above 27 bucks, and hourly I imagine is flipping around probably, and yes it is 28, 80, 88. So I actually do kind of favor this one. I still want to see either a daily closure above about 29.25 or just a higher high above yesterday's wick high, and then yes, I'd feel quite comfortable looking for a continuation back up to the mid 30s, and then that's going to look really good for the weekly closure to come. And can drive targets much higher coming into next week or the week after that. So I actually still kind of like this one, and it does generally bode well for Bitcoin here as well. I would argue, however, it already did play at the hidden bullish evidence from this last low call right here on the 12 hours. So I don't think that that's available anymore. And I should also talk about downside and validation targets if it does get hit. So below 27 bucks on a 4-hour, I would look for this one to play out another move down to like 22 to 24 bucks, probably bounce there and then die later. But for right now, I give it the benefit of the doubt, and okay, not too shabby, at least for the time being. Hopefully that was helpful. And there you go, Mr. JW.